dito. Mga taga PCCR. Hello mga anak! Ito si Aling Marie. Okay. Ayan. Hello mga bunso. Ituloy lang ang labanan. Dito lang kami. Kami yung inyong gabay. Kami yung inyong alalay. Kami ang inyong kakampi. Okay. Salamat. Thank you mga anak.
Stop corrupt! Stop corrupt! From the top! From the top! Stop corrupt! What else? What do you want to chant to free? Anyone would like to chant? Use this microphone.
Hey, one. Hey, one. Hey, one. Check. Hey.
Artista
Hey.
ng bayan! Tuloy-tuloy ang
Hey, hey. Yung face ginawa mo yun.
ang tao, ang bayan!
Check.
Stop corrupt! From the top! From the top! Stop corrupt! Stop corrupt! From the top! From the top! Stop corrupt! We'll start in 2 minutes. We have invited musicians to perform for us. Pwede bang pasalamatan at palakpakan natin mga artista ng bayan? This is not yet the main program, okay? But we will give you a good show. Thank you.
Okay. Iba na talagang rally ngayon. Iba na.
Iba ang forma.
Andito na. Walang arte to, kahit mga artista.
Please be on the left part of the stage. All the buskers, starting with the poetry from Stanley Gulyap. Please proceed to the left part of the stage. Thank you. And all other performers, let's prepare.
Po, kapit na.
Let's party! Party!
Hello po.
Let's party!
Inyo pong panoorin to at pakinggan.
Stop corrupt! From the top! Stop corrupt!
From the top! From the top!
Stop corrupt! From the top! From the top! Stop corrupt! Inaanyayaan ng lahat.
Boss, tubig.
Bago magsimula ang ating programa.
Everybody would like to hear you. Stop corrupt! From the top! From the top! Stop corrupt! Stop corrupt! From the top! Yeah, thank you. We'd like to invite Stanley Gulyap of PUP for his
Ano natin kayo sa kabila? Puro wireless lang doon.
Magandang
Apat na wireless lang lalagay ka
umaga po. Ginaumaga po sa lahat. Magbabasa po ako ng tula. Kasi poetry reading ha. Ayan. Kasi yung mga tulang galit na sa
Check. Monitor sa kabila. Pati mo na monitor na ako. Check.
The master of the land. Dahil alam natin ang master of the land ang kurakot ng ating bayan. Against the monster for centuries, the master of the land has gorged himself on flesh and blood. Now, he wields a brittle, rusty sword and still casts a spell with a cross. We go with the children of wrath and prepare a trap across his path, a net of vine, holding a carpet of leaves, covers the pit full of bamboo spears. When he stumbles into the hungry hole and raves and reads among the foes, he shall see the children of the soil casting upon him buckets of flaming oil. The night shall flee from the flames, and this This shall wait until the greatest day and merge with the glory of the sun. The monster shall have been gone. His sword shall break by a hammer blow on a rock from which a sweet stream flows. The fragment of the sword we shall gather to fashion new things by the hammer. The children of the soil shall be freed of the yoke and terror in their country. They shall stand against any monster and win by wit an engulfing monster, an engulfing number. The festival of the children of the soil. The festival of the children of soil. We joyously sing and dance with them as the ancient monster comes to an end against the monster of the land. Salamat po.
Si Duterte yung monster.
Yes, that is our chance so the media could hear us. Stop corrupt from the top. Stop corrupt. Stop corrupt from the top. From the top. Stop corrupt. We're inviting everyone to join the chanting. Okay? When we say stop corrupt, we say from the top. Okay? Stop corrupt
From the top.
and from the top. Stop corrupt. Stop corrupt
From the top.
from the top. Stop corrupt. And when we say from the top, it refers to who? Marcos Singilin.
Duterte, panagutin.
Panagutin. Marcos Singilin. Marcos Singilin. Duterte Panagutin. Duterte Panagutin. Marcos Singilin. Ladies and gentlemen, Jack, we have a new performer with us. Jack, who's gonna perform 2 songs for us. Palapakan natin si Jack, ladies and gentlemen. Artista ng bayan. We are to respond now. Artista ng bayan. Tuloy, tuloy ang laban! Tuloy, tuloy ang laban! Artista ng bayan! Stop corrupt.
From the top.
From the top.
Stop corrupt.
Thank you very much.
Check. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat mga kapatid. Magandang umaga po, pataas ang kamay. Magandang umaga. Isang awitin po isinulat po noong 20 years ago. Title po ng kanta ay Mr. Politician. Ang mga tunay na magnanakaw sa ating lipunan ay nanggagaling sa halay ng mga politiko. Hello, Mr. Politician. Hello, Mr. Educated Fool. Oh, I will hang it out in a missing away with a beat of our music.
Okay, okay.
We will hang it out in every single way with a beat of our music.
Galit sila sa dalawang
Look at this politician
kay Marcos at kay
shouting at the
Duterte.
top of their voice.
Sa Unity. Galit silang lahat. Okay, babalikan po natin sila mamaya-maya. Ikot po muna tayo sa iba namang grupo. Okay.
Everything of your move is depression of society.
Tao pa yun. Laging nawawala eh. Oo nga.
Hey, 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 hey.